Hi, I'm Daniel, clinical lead at Treated. Eloine is a contraceptive pill which has a lower dose of oestrogen than other combined pills. So if you're more prone to side effects from higher doses of hormone, like vaginal dryness or infrequent periods, it might be a better option for you. Eloine is an everyday pill. You take one active light pink pill each day for the first 24 days of your cycle. You then take one inactive pill each day for the final 4 days of your cycle. The white inactive pills don't actually do anything other than keep you in the habit of taking a pill each day. It's got a couple of added benefits as well as protecting against pregnancy. If you get acne, the hormones in Eloine can help to clear it up or make it less severe. It might also help with symptoms of PMT. Even though it has a lower dose of oestrogen, it's no less effective than other pills. Eloine is more than 99% effective if you take it correctly. You can get Eloine online with us. We've helped thousands of women get the contraception they need, and you've also got access to our expert team, so you can ask us anything you like, anytime.